So far, you've built strong writing skills. You know how to write, adapt your tone, and optimize for search. Now comes the big question. Can you turn this into a real career? The answer is yes, but writing well is only part of the job. To succeed professionally, you also need to know how to present yourself, price your work, and find the right opportunities. In this final lecture, we will go through the practical steps that help writers go from skilled to in demand, including how to stay relevant in an industry that's evolving rapidly. Lecture objectives. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to build a writing portfolio that showcases your strengths, market yourself to clients and content platforms, understand how to price your writing fairly and professionally, stay competitive, especially with the rise of AI writing tools. Start with a strong portfolio. Clients and employers rarely ask, "Where did you study?" They ask, "Can I see your work?" Your portfolio is proof of your skill, and even if you're just starting, you can create strong samples by writing for a personal blog or LinkedIn, creating mock pieces for different industries, travel, tech, wellness, offering to write for small nonprofits or local businesses to build real-world examples. Tip: choose 3 to 5 strong, varied samples and format them cleanly. A Google Drive folder or Notion page works fine in the beginning. Where to find work? There are many paths for content writers. Freelancing on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and People Per Hour. Applying for remote jobs via LinkedIn, We Work Remotely, and ProBlogger. Pitching to niche blogs, agencies, or startups directly. Cold outreach also works if your email is short, personalized, and shows real value. Here's how a cold outreach message might look in practice. Hi, Sarah. I've been following Wellness & Co. for a while and enjoy your approach to holistic health. I noticed your blog hasn't been updated since January, and I'd love to help. I'm a content writer with experience in wellness and lifestyle topics, and I've written for brands like Calmly and Green Living Journal. If you want to refresh your blog or publish new content, I'd be happy to share a few ideas or samples. Thanks for your time. Alice, this kind of message is short, respectful, and shows that you've done your homework. It highlights your value without pushing for a sale. Being specific, personal, and clear makes it more likely to get a response. How to price your work. Pricing can feel confusing, but the key is to price for value, not just word count. You can charge per word, common for blogs, 0.5 cents to 0.5 cents. Per project, web pages, product descriptions, emails. Per hour, less ideal unless you're experienced. As a beginner, start modestly but don't undervalue your time. If you're producing high-quality, on-time work, you deserve fair pay. Tip: always ask about scope before quoting. How long is the piece? Will it need research or interviews? Are you expected to upload it to WordPress? Stay competitive in the AI era. AI writing tools are everywhere. But here's the truth. Tools can help generate ideas, but they don't understand nuance, tone, or purpose the way a human does. Writers who stay relevant focus on originality, voice, and emotional clarity. Bring subject knowledge or niche expertise. Add strategic thinking, like SEO, content planning, or conversion writing. Use tools like ChatGPT, Grammarly, or Notion AI to assist you, not replace your voice. Build your reputation. Being a professional writer isn't just about writing, it's also about being. Reliable, meet deadlines. Communicative, ask questions early. Easy to work with, accepts feedback with professionalism. Great writing gets you noticed, but consistency and professionalism keep the opportunities coming.